Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Today I will show you how to make German pretzel buns, called Laugenbrötchen in German. These buns are great just by themselves, or you can make all kinds of sandwiches and burger variations with them. Add a third cup of water, sugar and yeast to a large bowl and mix well to combine everything. Then cover with a kitchen towel and allow to sit for about 10 minutes. You will see that the yeast is active if it has bubbled up. The foamy texture of the surface comes from the carbon dioxide being released. Melt the butter in the remaining warm water and blend the salt with the flour. Stir the butter-water mix into the yeast mixture. Gradually add the flour to the bowl 1 cup at a time and knead until a smooth dough forms. This takes about 10 minutes. I do this by hand in this video, but you can do this in a stand mixer, which makes it much easier. But if you want an arm workout or if you need to release some steam, you should definitely try the handmade variation. Now cover the bowl again with a clean dish towel and let the dough rise for about 1 hour. After the rising time, sprinkle the dough with some flour, take it out of the bowl and knead briefly on the countertop. Then divide the dough into 10 equal pieces. Shape the pieces into smooth balls, flatten them slightly and place them on a with parchment paper lined baking sheet. Cover the rolls with a damp kitchen towel and let the rolls rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit and bring the water to a boil in a large pot. Once the water boils, gradually add the baking soda to the water. It will bubble up, so you should go slowly. Add 1 roll at a time into the water bath. This works best if you use a slotted spoon. Turn the rolls after 10 seconds for about 5 more seconds. Remove the rolls and place them back on the baking sheet. Then use a sharp knife to make cross cuts on the top of the rolls. If you like salt, sprinkle them with coarse salt to taste. Then they are ready to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. This recipe is very easy, even though it takes quite a long waiting time in total, but the amazing taste and the great texture make it worth the waiting time. Guten Appetit!